Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to produce an odor neutralizer at home. Odor neutralizers are just like air fresheners, but they are not as powerful as air freshener. They are actually used in places that are congested, places that seem like there are a lot of persons around. So what you do in such environment is that you use an odor neutralizer to reduce the odor that will come out from when people are congested in a particular area or environment. So I'll be listing my ingredients, and over here is the fragrance. You can use any fragrance of your choice, any fragrance that you prefer that is appealing to your nose when you perceive it. Use any fragrance of your choice. And this is the water. This is 3 liters of water. So we're making use of water, ethanol, SLS, and fragrance. It's not actually difficult to produce. So just watch and follow the steps if you wish or you want to know how to produce an odor neutralizer. Just follow the steps in this video. It's not difficult to produce. Then as for the color, you can make use of any color of your choice. Use any color of your choice and any fragrance of your choice in this or for the production of an odor neutralizer. Don't also forget to check the description of this video if you wish to join my online class that goes on WhatsApp. Just reach me through this phone number displayed on the screen, or you check the video description. You will find a link. Once you click on that link, it will take you to my WhatsApp class, which goes on WhatsApp. There you will learn how to make the laundry bar soap, the powder detergent, the liquid soap, the organic soap, the transparent soap, the hair shampoo, the hair conditioner, the bleach. There's a lot you will learn there. And we also have ebooks available, rich and informative ebooks that will help you learn skincare formulation properly. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be updated about our new videos that will be coming up within the week. So thank you for watching. So we've come to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. So I'll see you guys next time on our next video that will be coming up within the week. Thank you and see you next time. Goodbye.